Write a letter to your friend congratulating her on her birthday. Examination hall, city, date, dear friend. How are you doing? I am doing well by the grace of Allah. I have received your letter just now. You have invited me to your birthday party. I am sorry that I may not be able to attend the ceremony because I am busy these days in preparing for the assessment in school. Your birthday is the special day for me because on this day Allah blessed me with a sincere and loving friend. Wish you many returns of this day. Accept my heartiest greeting on your birthday. You have now grown up. May you continue to grow and make progress. It doesn't matter that I am here and unable to come, but I am sending you a watch as a gift. I hope you would like this gift. Pay my regards to uncle and aunt. Yours sincerely, XYZ. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.